Hello everyone, welcome to this first series of College of Technology. And College of Technology is different from Gakubu. Gakubu is for the undergraduate, and for the College of Technology is for who wants to take diploma. It is also called KOSEN, and it is a part of the Monbuka Gakusho scholarship. Anyway, in this video we will discuss about Chemistry 2016 KOSEN. Okay, so let's go for question number 1. Right, question number 1, they say that we have boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. So boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. And question A, which is the element with the largest atomic radius? All right, so this question is generally related to the periodic table trend. So when you go from horizontally from left to right, whether it will have the bigger radius or smaller radius or bigger electronegativity. All right, so here's the trend. If you go from top to bottom, okay, the radius will get bigger, and if you go horizontally from left to right, the radius will get smaller. Right, now you have to know the placement of these elements, right? Because when you go to the College of Technology test, they will not give you a sample of periodic table, and you will not be allowed to bring some periodic tables. So the placement is this way. In periodic table you will see this is on 7A, 6A, 5A, 4A, and 3A. So because from left to right, the radius will get smaller. So from these elements, boron has the larger radius. So the answer for A is option 1. For question B, it said which is the element which becomes an anion of bivalence easily. So it means it asks you which of the elements between BC and OF who has the valence of electron of 2. So we have to know again what element have 2 electron valencies. The answer is O, right? Because if you look at the periodic table, or if you actually know it, that O has the element number of 8. In the electron configuration is 2 and 6, which means that oxygen, if it wants to be an octet, it needs plus 2 elements, right? So the octet of oxygen is O2 minus. Therefore, this is an ion of bivalence. While fluorine is an ion of monovalence, nitrogen is trivalence, and C needs 4, and B is actually not an anion, but it is a cation. Okay, so the answer is option 4. And now for the question C, which is the element with the largest electronegativity? Well, the trend of electronegativity is actually the reverse of radius. If you go down, the electronegativity will get smaller. If you go from left to right horizontally, the electronegativity will get higher. So between BC and OF, fluorine has the biggest electronegativity. So the answer is option 5. Okay, so that is for Q1. And next video we will discuss about Q2.